Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to talk about how to upload your CV video to Farm4USA, which is on your USA Farm Labor profile. There's a few things I need to mention to you guys about how to create it, what to do, what not to do, and how to upload it. So first things first, I want to talk about the background. Please guys, do it outside, do it where a farm is, or grass, or trees, or at a truck, or at a tractor, or somewhere over there, or in front of cattle. That usually helps. It makes you look like a farmer. Okay, I get a lot of guys sitting inside behind their TVs on the very comfy couch. Farmers don't like that. Secondly, please have a very nice shirt on. Don't have something really bad on your on written across your chest or anything. Just a normal plain buremp, if I can say it like that. And from there, also don't have a cigar in your mouth or close by, or even beer bottles, or have a beer in your hand. That just looks really bad when we send it through to the farmers and they just say no thank you. Last but not least, do not mention your age. This will cause you to make the video over again every single year. You want to keep the video there, and up until you've gained experience in America and you feel like, okay, it's time to update it, then by all means. And a lot of people think, okay, it's just a CV video, it's perfect, I got it uploaded on my profile. You can upload more. If you have videos of you welding, if you have videos of you driving a tractor or a forklift of a front end loader or an excavator, or where you're just generally working on the farm, or any type of farm or any type of work, record it and then upload it to YouTube and then put that on your profile. That will help. The CV video is what the farmer usually looks for first, and then afterwards they go into the other videos and see if you can do what you say you can. And also your experience tab. Please guys, the experience tab, I'm just going to also mention this, has to be completely full. There must be paragraphs and paragraphs of information of your life's history. I'm talking about, start by saying, in 2019 I've done this, I've worked with this type of equipment, I have done these types of job, I have managed this, I've done this. And then 2020, in this year I've done this, I've worked on this type of farm. Over here I've worked on so many equipments for so long. If you're a welder, then you just mention I've welded on this, and this is the make of a welder. I need to know the makes, the years, the dates, the time, where, what, when, why. I need to know everything. If you know how to pick up a hammer and a nail, you know how to put that in the wall, I want to know about it. Please guys, this will help you out this will help marketing you become really easy for the people in Farm4USA. If you have all that in points and everything, like I've worked on a grain farm with corn, beans, rice, sweet potatoes, sorghum, sunflowers, whatever have you. If you have that like that, it's so much easier. We just copy and paste that, and this will help boost your profile in getting a farmer in the USA. Let's get into it. Now we're going to go down to USA Farm Labor. Of course, we're going to type that in. This will bring you to this page, and it's usually the first one. And then from there, it will take you to this page where we're going to go to the top right and say log in. Click on login, and this is the following page. Now, just going to quickly mention, if you can remember your username and password, just type it in here. You should be able to see it on your email, the very first email you get from USA Farm Labor, which is your username and password. Just go look it up. If you can't find it, then just contact us by either sending an email to registrations at Farm4USA. It's this one, and we'll help you out with that. Or if you can't get us on the emails, then you can just go ahead and call the head office on 082-735-2433. Okay, perfect. Now I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. Let me just log in real quick. Now what we want to go down is to the left and say profile information. After we have selected that, we wait for the internet to load, and then of course you won't be able to see my details, but the place I want you to go down to is my video library. As soon as you have done that, this is where we're going to upload that code you're going to get from YouTube so that the farmer can view it from his side through our application. Okay, now the next thing I want you to do is go to whatever YouTube you have. I'm guessing everybody has a YouTube channel, not for like creating videos, but for going on YouTube and liking and subscribing and seeing all of those things. So what I want you to do is to go to the top where it says plus create, this plus sign. I want you to click on that and say upload video. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. And now I want you to take that video, mine is this one, and upload it. I already have uploaded it, but it will come up again here. Just put in my video CV, a little description, just select the upload file, which is like AI generated thumbnail so you can see it. And then what is important is I want you to go and say, no, it's not made for kids. This is very important. Otherwise, it won't go through to our profile, to your profile. And then from there, say next, next, next. And here, this is the second thing I want to show you. You're not going to mark it private, you're going to mark it unlist. So when you do copy that URL, the only people that would be able to view it is people that have that link. And I'll show you exactly where to go get it now. After you've saved here, just go ahead, save, and then just upload the video. So the video I've uploaded, just go back into it. Here's the video I've uploaded. This is my personal CV video. I'm going to upload to my profile now. If you can play it right here on YouTube, then you go up here and take a look at what's after the equal sign. And then copy, for mine is right at the T. Yours is going to be different. Just copy that and go back into your profile and then paste it in right here. That's all it is. Now we're going to go down here, say category, my video CV, and then you can add a description if you want and just say save. And the last bit of information I want to give you is if your video is too short and YouTube uploads it to a reel, then just there's no equal sign. It's going to be a slash. Everything behind the slash you copy and paste into here. So after you've said saved, I quickly want to show you, you're going to have to notify your agent. Firstly, just double check that you can view it. If you can't view it, the farmer can't view it. So here you see if it has the background of it, it's viewable. You can also start playing it from this side and see it. And from there, I'm going to go down, and now that everything is complete, you have all your videos uploaded, go down here to notify agent, number 15, and say notify agent. Now notice I clicked once and it would say, thank you, your profile is now active and your agent has been notified successfully. That's just the automated response. Sometimes you do not get this response. Please guys, if you do not get it, click it one more time, but don't keep on clicking it. It keeps on sending emails to us, and it takes forever to go through all those emails and making sure that we got every single one, and there's not just one profile and 10 emails. And that's about it. And that's how you upload videos. So now, after you've done the video CV, which is usually your first one, you can go ahead and any other type of videos, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, if you have anything that you can share and what you think that the farmer might find interesting, go ahead and upload it here. The more videos they have, the more chances you have of going overseas and working for American farmers. But yeah, I think I've shared with you all that I've known up until how to upload your video to your USA Farm Labor profile. I hope this helped, and I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, leave down a comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you guys. Until the next one.